To other matters now, Kisii County Deputy Governor Dr. Robert Manda was before the Senate today as his impeachment hearings kicked off. Dr. Manda defended himself against accusations by his county assembly that led to his impeachment, including allegations of gross violation, abuse of office, crimes under national law, and gross misconduct. Now, the Senate plenary is expected to conduct the hearings in 2 sessions. Kate and Diego with more details.
Honorable Senators, welcome back to this session.
Kisii Deputy Governor Robert Monda's impeachment session today was instigated by a significant bribery and corruption case.
Communication from the chair.
Central to the proceedings was the allegation of soliciting 800,000 shillings to secure a commercial manager's position at Gusii Water and Sanitation Company Limited, Guasco, for an individual named Dennis Mokaya. Furthermore, an attempt to bribe the company's managing director, Lucy Wachira, with 100,000 shillings was also revealed.
Dennis Mosati is given the responsibility by his father to raise the 800,000 shillings. A young man, a poor man, a jobless man, a family man, a man who is destitute and desperate for a job, does all that is within his means, sells his salon so as to raise the 800,000 shillings, sells all his households, sufurias and everything else, so that he can raise the 800,000 shillings as sought by the deputy governor. Succeeds in that mission, raises the money even from his friends, and upon the success of the mission of raising the 800,000 shillings, forwards the same. The father is involved in that scheme. The mother is involved in that scheme.
In his opening statement, Ndegwa Jiru, an advocate for the Kisii County Assembly, outlined the grounds for Monda's impeachment, highlighting allegations of misuse of authority and asserted that Manda is unfit for the position due to the numerous allegations against him.
Is this a man who can be trusted? Is this a man who can be held to account? Is this a man who is transparent? Is this a man who can inspire the youths? Is this a man who can be trusted with the county resources? Evidence will bear us witness when we begin to tender the same, that Dennis is not the only victim. The public participation processes that were conducted on the 26th of February, we have people claiming that yes, the deputy governor is a man who is full of insatiable greed for resources, to the extent that he solicits resources as low as...
Monda's defense team countered by asserting that he did not accept any bribe. Instead, they argued that the money in question was a repayment of a loan he had previously extended to Mr. Mokaya.
We will invite your attention to 2 details on this issue. The first detail is that by 28th of May, interviews and scoring of the candidates had been done about 13 days earlier, that is on the 15th of May. So that by 28th, really, the person who had successfully contested for that office had been determined by reason of the scores done by the various members of the board. It had nothing, it could not possibly be a basis to have influenced who would be assigned this job.
During the interrogation, Dennis Mokaya stated that the money sent to the deputy governor was meant to secure the job for him, emphasizing that it was not intended as a loan. The case is scheduled to resume tomorrow, with the anticipation that Mokaya's parents will appear and present their perspectives on the matter.
We are also appearing alongside.
Reporting for Hope TV News Watch, my name is Kate and Diego.
Equally present is Miss